everyone, welcome back to Clumsy Cakes. My name's Amy. So today we're going to be making some s'mores crinkle cookies. If you've never seen crinkle cookies before, they're a very pretty cookie that is made by forming cookie dough into a ball and then rolling that ball into usually some confectionery sugar. And then as the cookie bakes, it will crack and form a very pretty design on the top of the cookie. So because this is going to be a s'mores cookie, it's going to be a chocolate cookie base with a marshmallow in the center and then crushed up graham cracker on top. You excited yet? Me too. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start by creaming up our butter and 2 types of sugar. I'm going to cream this up for about 2 minutes until it all comes together and is light and fluffy. We're gonna add our eggs, and I'm gonna start mixing as I'm adding. I'm gonna add one egg at a time, and make sure it's fully incorporated before I add the next one. Going to take this off the mixer and gonna sift in my dry ingredients. And we'll add in the rest. Alright, so we're going to get to assembling our cookies. But first, this may not even make it past the editing process, but I have a little bit of a beef with the recipe making community. Whether you're cooking or baking, why do you guys gotta lie? These are frozen. These marshmallows. They have to be frozen. Because if they're not, they will totally pull a Houdini and disintegrate into your cookies. This was my second attempt. I swear this had marshmallow in the center. It pulled a Houdini and left. And it's because these marshmallows need to be frozen. And I've seen so many recipes where they just put them in the middle of the cookie and bake them. Not true.
You're deceiving all these people. There's no pancake mix in there.
Just saying. I feel a lot better. So, on to the recipe. Alright. So this has been sprayed with nonstick spray. And I have a 4-ounce cookie scoop here. Okay. Flatten it out. Take a marshmallow. Form the cookie around your marshmallow. Alright. Then we're gonna roll this in our graham cracker. Set it on the tray. Alright, and then I'm going to just do this with the rest of my cookies and I will be back. Alright, so these are now formed and I'm going to put them back in my fridge for about 20 minutes just to kind of chill them back down because the marshmallow did thaw a little bit too much while I was forming them. So I'm going to do that and I'm going to put them in the oven, preheated at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. So here are the cookies that just came out of the oven. And as you can see, they are beautiful. Some of them are, came out a little wonky, but for the most part, this one fell in the oven, so no. That one's just a cook's treat, right? But for the most part, these all came out amazing. And what I love the most about these type of cookies is that they're all different. They all crack differently, and it's both different parts. And what I think is really cool about this recipe is that when they do crack, they sometimes do expose the fluff on the inside, and they are just beautiful. So if you guys liked this video and you learned something, please give it a like down below, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to learn more things, make more messes, but make some absolutely delicious desserts with me. Bye guys, thanks for watching.